Hi everyone, as I've stated before, March is National Kidney Month. So every week I'm doing a kidney disease recipe for kidney disease awareness. This week I'm getting my recipe out of the Good Cooking for the Kidney Disease Diet book, and I'll be making candied pineapple bites. What all goes into the candied pineapple bites? 1 vanilla cake mix, eliminate any added sugar. 1/2 cup brown sugar. 1/3 cup raw organic honey. 2 finely chopped mint leaves. 1 can crushed pineapple. So let's begin. So take an 11 by 8 baking pan and prepare it. I'll be using Baker's Joy. I'm just going to smear it around a little bit so it's not all clumpy. Preheat the oven to whatever the box mix says. And this says 350 for shiny metal or glass pan. Mine is glass, so I will preheat it to 350. So preheat the oven to 350. So take a bowl, I have a medium one here, mix together the 1/2 cup brown sugar, the 1/3 cup of honey. If you don't want it to stick to your cup, have it coated with some cooking spray, and the 2 finely chopped mint leaves, and a can of crushed pineapple. And then totally incorporate that. And make sure you scrape the bottom because the sugar and the honey is going to stick to the bottom of the bowl. Put a lid on it, stick it in the refrigerator until we are ready for it. So mix everything like the instructions say on here into a large bowl. So these instructions say put in the mix, 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and the mix that you get may have different ingredients in it. You just want to make sure that you don't add any extra sugar to it. And the 3 eggs. Mix it with an electric mixer on medium speed or beat vigorously by hand for 2 minutes. I have my hand mixer here. I'm going to scrape down the sides real quick like. You didn't see that. And pour this into your prepared pan. And spread that out. Alright, so it's in the pan. Next we'll take our pineapple mixture and put it on top of the cake mixture. And it's pretty runny, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to be or not. Never made this before. And I'm going to slightly spread that around a little bit. So cook this according to the cake package directions. So this will be going into a 350-degree oven for 28 to 33 minutes or until done. Alright, so it came out of the oven after 32 minutes. Let's do a toothpick test. and it come out clean. We'll let it cool and then Dave can do a taste test. So here is the Candied Pineapple Bites. And again, this is a kidney disease recipe. And I'll go ahead and have Dave do a taste test.
The house still smells good from when you cooked this. Looks like the pineapple went to the bottom.
I think it's like a magic pineapple or a pineapple upside down type thing.
So for any of you that don't know, I really like pineapple, and this is really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.